Alright, so many guys think it's feminine to put this much thought and effort into your skin and taking care of yourself, which is why I kind of called it the manly skincare routine. In essence, I've tried to simplify my routine to 2 steps, kind of make it simple, and it almost eases onto your daily life that it won't take up too much time like your girlfriend or your wife would. So, for today, we're gonna be talking about my skincare routine and what I do to keep my skin oil-free, free from acne, trying to keep it moisturized, healthy, and more youthful. Now, if you want to get right into my skincare routine, I recommend fast forwarding about 2 minutes. If not, you're gonna have to listen to me talk about some of my products, but I'm gonna be as quick as I can. So first, you saw my glimpse in my 5-minute morning routine, kind of what I do already. So I want to speak about it because I got a lot of comments. The first thing I got a lot of comments for was this thing. This is called a foreo. Essentially, it's just an electric cleanser. You can hear that. Turn it on, it vibrates. It has some very nice bristles. And all it does is, it's easier to exfoliate your face, a lot more efficient than just your fingertips alone. So the only downside to this thing is that it's pricey. Actually, it's pretty expensive. I reached out to them. I was trying to get a discount code for you guys because I know it's expensive, but they weren't down for it. So, sorry, I'm gonna keep trying, but this is what I use the foreo. Everything that I'm talking about, I'm gonna link down below. And I'm not making anything off of this. So if you guys like it, you can check it out. It's a little pricey, like I said. And there are cheaper alternatives. There's like $30 brushes. I've never used them before, but I'm sure they're just as effective. Second thing people asked me a lot was what I was using or my facial cleanser. Now, I actually have about 3-4 different facial cleansers. I like to keep looking. Essentially, I'm looking for that perfect balance between quality and price. But I guess that's like anything else that I look for in menswear. The one that you saw me in that video use was one called Dermalogica? I don't have no idea. The only downside with this thing is that it's super expensive. So I really don't recommend it because this was my first time using it. This is the first bottle I've ever owned. I've owned it for about 2 months now, and I don't think I'm gonna be buying it again. Just to give you an idea, I think this bottle, can't remember, it was like $40, $45, this bottle alone. So it's a very expensive product. I don't know if I would recommend it because of its price point, but it is a really good product. So up to you guys. Another alternative, which is a lot better, a lot more affordable, is the Scotch Porter face wash. Now, Scotch Porter, I use a lot of their stuff because I just like their brand. It's just quality stuff at a very affordable price. I use their hair balm. I talked all about that, which is kind of like a hair conditioner. I use their beard stuff like beard shampoo, beard conditioner. I use all of that stuff. They also have a facial kit, and I use that as well. This is their face wash. Really good product. You're gonna see me using this today. And then finally, you do need some sort of lotion or moisturizer or face moisturizer. And that's what I use here. This is great because you really want to keep your skin hydrated, especially to reduce wrinkles, soothes your skin, and keeps it hydrated. So a good face lotion is a great idea. Now let's get started with the routine. Okay, so first we're gonna start with warm water to really open up the pores and start the cleaning process. Now that that's done, we're gonna move on to the Scotch Porter face cleanser. Now this is great to really control oil. So if you have oily face, I really recommend this. That's what I have. And it really helps to control some of that oil. It also obviously helps with breakouts and just keeping your face clean and removing all those dead skin cells. We're gonna be using this charcoal and licorice mask. We're gonna be putting a dab onto the foreo as such. And then what I like to do is I kind of like to, oh man, made a mess. I kind of like to pre-apply it evenly all over my face before I start cleansing. A little extra right here. And then you start. Now that that's done, we're gonna wash the face off with some cold water. You wanna scrub your face for anything from 1 minute to 2 minutes. Once you're done, wash it off with cold water. That'll get the blood circulating in your face. It'll refreshen your face up and also close up the pores. That never works. I was trying to do those really cool Clarisonic cleanses. It didn't work. Oh, quick pro tip. By the way, notice that I'm pat drying my face and not rubbing. It's very important to pat dry, don't rub. All right guys, so we are finally done. Now to finish it off, you're gonna want some moisturizer because now your skin's probably gonna be a little dry from washing it off. You're gonna pick up a moisturizer, You only need a little dab. Because one thing I hate with certain moisturizers is that it feels really heavy, and also it leaves your face really shiny and oily, and I can't stand that. But this moisture is really nice. It doesn't leave any shine. It's kind of like matte. And it's also very light. So, I mean, I just apply moisturizer. As you can see, I don't look shiny. I don't look anything like that. But my face feels more hydrated. So when you're looking for moisturizer, definitely look for that. This one is great. This one was what I talked about in the beginning, the face lotion from Scotch Porter. It's the same charcoal and licorice brand, so it's also nutrient rich for your face. So that's it for this week's video, guys. A lot of you guys were asking for what my skincare routine is, what I use to control my acne, to keep my face clear, to keep it oil free, and of course to keep it clean and hydrated. So that's basically what I do. It's a very quick and simple process. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to hit up the like out button. If you want to check out any of these products, I'll have them linked down below. Thank you guys for watching.